Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add the aromatic shard to your pets. So you get it by getting the rewards from the food connoisseur. So let's do your rewards here. And as you can see, there is a Pet Shard Aromatic that you can gain from giving the rat food. I can't show you guys because I already put it on my pets, but basically you're going to want to grab it and you're just going to double click on your pet and it's going to make them aromatics, like my sushi bear here. And then here I have a few pets that are also aromatic, like this one. And it will make, sometimes they'll make the plants have aromatic in it. Where's one? Okay, that one doesn't have. Okay, well this one does have aromatic to it. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.